Hi, what's going on guys? It's me Anna fan from techaply. Welcome back to this channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. In today's video, I'm quickly show you how to disassemble a table fan and clean it. So let's get started. The first step, we're gonna go and disassemble the fan blade. Next step, we're gonna disassemble this screw. To clean this part, you use a brush and clean it horizontally or vertically. So the brush is the best tool to clean this part. Next step, we're gonna clean this outsider of the fan. Next step, we're gonna open these screws and clean the inside parts. There's one more screw at the back of the table fan, so you need to remove it as well. You can use the brush again to clean the table fan parts like this. Okay, after cleaning it, reassemble the parts, ABS cover of it. You can actually press the fan down like this and screw the screw in. Then reassemble all other parts. Okay, put this part in with the two holes on the top and one hole at the bottom and screw this tightener. Next will be the fan blade and then fasten the belt of it. That's it for today's video guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos later on. Bye for now.